Are you being asked, where do you get your protein? I have so many people reflect that to me, that ever since they changed to eating plant-based food, want to become a vegetarian or vegan, their family or their friends or anybody would come and ask, where do you get your protein? Well, we get our protein more than enough from plant-based food. Nature has provided with complete fat, carbohydrate, protein, minerals, vitamins, and all the essential amino acids in it. This question, where do you get your protein, or where do you get your vitamins, or where do you get your minerals, are really irrelevant. This myth about protein are basically high profit products such as meat, poultry, fish, seafood, eggs, and dairy products. But you do get plenty on the other side of the equation. Instead of the animal product and byproducts, you go for the natural fruit and veggie, beans, legumes, grains, and nuts. And there's the fact that eating too much protein can cause disease. Why? Because body just can't store protein. Body can store fat, but it can't deal with the excessive protein. Instead, your liver and your kidney are going to work extra hard. Plus, your bone has to release this buffer material to combat this excessive protein that you consumed. And that's going to cause a weakness in your bone. Do you want that? I don't think so. So where do you get your protein? Really simple. You get it from the brown rice, get it from oatmeal, you get it from black beans, potato, sweet potato, spinach, broccoli, lettuce, mushrooms, asparagus, you get it from peas, you get it from carrots, onions. Now do you know spinach has 51% of protein, beef 53%. It's quite similar, but you don't have to kill the cow to get your protein if you eat spinach. So, in summary, protein is important when you're a baby. When you're growing up, you need protein to build your muscle. But as you grow older, the need of protein is dramatically reduced. But you don't have to worry because you are getting plenty of protein day to day just by eating plant-based food, right? So the myth about eating the high profit products and getting the high protein is not correct, because that could cause a lot of disease and that could cause a lot of problem for your body organs to work extra hard. I hope what we have talked about today helps you to decide how you're going to communicate with your friends, and that protein is not the most important question to ask. Go to my website where there's a list of the comparisons and you would understand it. Alright? So, until then, be well.